everyone, this is Kylie, the Curly Crafter. So today actually we are going to be DIYing our pumpkin planter and just elevating it to make it look more farmhouse and super cute for photos. So I'm super excited. This is what it looks like before and this is what it looks like after. So if you want to know how to transform a nice wooden planter, stay tuned in this video and let's transform together. Let's get started. And I got the paint, I got a stir stick, 2 paintbrushes, and then a can or a pint of white paint. This is the color Flat White by Rust-Oleum. It's a really nice fast drying indoor and outdoor durability paint, so I'm going to paint the planter box with this. A little update, I actually decided to attach my really cool vinyl decal onto the front of my planter. It looks amazing and I really like it. And then also my little black hardware pieces are finally dry and I'm attaching those right now, so let me show you how I do it. These are the black pieces and they're a little bit too long, so I'm going to show you guys how I install them. So I want the front to look the best as possible, so I'm going to take the pointed edge and line it up flush with the front edge of the planter, and then what you're going to have to do is bend it on the edge corner. So once you bend it, you notice that there's some hanging off the edge and it's not flush on this side. So what I like to do is just use something and measure it and mark it so that I can cut it and make it flush. So once it's measured like that, all I'm going to do is take some shears because they are super easy to cut and then just snip the extra part off. Once that's done, you can just screw them onto your planter. And that's all you have to do, so I'm going to finish up attaching my hardware pieces. I'm going to put 2 on each of the corners. So now I'm going to move on to the last and final step, but this is optional. I just feel like it's going to bring the whole thing together. So in the middle of my vinyl decal, I left a space because I want to paint a really cute little pumpkin. So I'm just going to grab some paint and let's go paint the little pumpkin. So I got a coffee that my mom made for me, super amazing, and it's pumpkin flavored. It really gets me in the season. So now what I'm going to do is just take the Waverly chalk paint in the color pumpkin and just go start painting the pumpkin on the front of my planter. I just finished the base part of my pumpkin, which is just orange. Right now I'm gonna go and quickly add on a brown stem and maybe a little green twirly piece, and then after all of it's dry, just give it a quick little shade. So now I'm just going to wait for my pumpkin to dry, give it a little shade, and here is the final reveal of our DIY farmhouse pumpkin planter. I hope that you guys enjoyed my wooden pumpkin planter transformation. It really makes me happy to look at this fall, and I hope that you guys like it as well. Make sure to stay tuned because I will be sharing a bunch of updates on my pumpkin patch growing journey in this series right now. So stay tuned, and if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, let me know what you think about my planter, and bye everyone!